In this video, we will begin by building one of the most simple circuits, a button-activated light. To begin, you will need the following: one breadboard, a power source, one button, one LED, and one 4K resistor. Step 1. Connect the power source to the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the resistor from the positive power rail to one of the other rails on the resistor. Step 3. Place your button across the break of the breadboard, ensuring that the left side is in line with the resistor. Step 4. Place your LED with the short leg on the negative power rail and the long leg on the output or left side of the button. Now your first circuit should be complete. When we press the button, we can see that the light turns on. It's important to understand how all these parts are working together, so when we make more complicated circuits later, we can understand how they work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.